it's Miss Sote. So as usual, we're going to do a calculator tutorial for this week. The Desmos one is definitely much more self-explanatory than the graphing calculator ones, but again, I'm trying to make sure that I make tutorials for all types of calculators. So if you have a TI-83 or TI-84, I really recommend you go and watch that video. If you don't, just learn some things that you probably already know about Desmos. So the focus for this week is going to be on graphing multiple graphs and finding the intersections for them. And Desmos is super nice because you can just click and write as many graphs as you want. So let's start with like a line, y equals 2x minus 3, and let's graph another graph. So you just click below to 2, and we can graph another line. So let's do like y equals negative 9x plus 4. And if you're trying to find where they intersect, you literally just scroll over to where the two lines hit each other. And if you notice, Desmos has already clicked that point for you, and it already shows you the coordinates for where those lines intersect. So I guess this would be a good time to show some cool features of Desmos. If you click on these little squiggles, you can hide your graphs. So say you just want to show one graph at one point and then you want to show another at a later point. Also, if you go into settings, you can change the color of your graph, and you can also change if it is dashed or dotted. So if I wanted to make my graph green and dashed, I could do that. The settings are also cool because you can convert an equation to a table really quickly by just clicking on that aspect. There's a lot of cool things in Desmos, so I thought that going through the settings would be a nice addition to this activity, and we can see that. Let's also see another example. So maybe we don't want to do a line, maybe we want to do a parabola. So x squared minus 2x plus 4, and then again we just click and we type a new equation, y equals negative x squared plus x plus 10. Sure. And if you notice with a parabola, in this case, we have 2 points of intersection. But if you click on either graph, it's going to highlight the 2 points of intersection for you. All you have to do is hover over them or click on them to get the coordinate points. So that's just a short tutorial of how to graph multiple things on Desmos, and also just a quick show and tell of what to do if you want to change the color or the type of line that your graph makes up. And also if you really want to quickly convert something to a table, as I showed you, you can literally just click convert to table and it does that for you. So hopefully that helped. Again, if you have a TI-83 or TI-84, please, please, please go check out one of those videos, because finding points of intersection on your graphing calculators is much less self-explanatory than on Desmos. Have a great day.